10 tips. How to prevent predators. 1. Secure enclosures. Invest in sturdy chicken coops and duck houses with strong locks and predator-proof mesh to keep them safe at night. 2. Perimeter fencing. Install predator-proof fencing around your property to deter larger predators like foxes, dogs, and others. Bury the fencing underground to prevent digging. 3. Electric fence. Use electric fencing as an effective deterrent for larger predators. Make sure it's properly installed and maintained to prevent shocks to your poultry or unintended targets. Motion lights. Install motion-activated lights around your coop and run to startle nocturnal predators like raccoons and opossums. Guard animals. Consider employing guard animals, such as dogs, cats, or geese to help protect your poultry from predators. Predator deterrent spray. Use natural predator deterrent sprays around the perimeter of your coop or run, such as predator urine or garlic-based sprays to deter predators with their scent. Also guys, if you want to donate, it would help us bring those birds more comfort and protection. You can donate trough-only paper from the link in description or at the Gmail duckkim074@gmail.com. Regular inspections. Conduct regular inspections of your coop and perimeter fencing to look for signs of wear, damage, or potential entry points for predators. Trust me, this will help. Close coop at night. Elevated roosts. Provide elevated roosts inside the coop that are difficult for predators to reach, offering your birds a safe place to sleep at night. Traps. Traps and snares. Use live traps or snares to capture and relocate small predators like raccoons or possums away from your property. Bonus tip. Collaborate with neighbors. Work with neighbors to collectively implement predator prevention strategies, as predators may move between properties. Please like and subscribe.